What's going on YouTube, or in this case Instagram, because we're going to be talking about IGTV. What is IGTV? Basically, it's a dedicated space on Instagram for creators to share high quality content just like they would on YouTube. That goes for vlogs, tutorials, makeup videos, travel videos, podcasts, anything that you would normally share on YouTube for Instagram. Now what's different? Well, the first thing you're going to notice is vertical videos. Instagram TV is dedicated for mobile use. So the only videos you can upload are vertical videos. Now a lot of people ask, will this replace YouTube? No, of course not. But you have to remember that Instagram just passed 1 billion monthly users. So every month over 1 billion people use Instagram. A good benefit of this is that all of the people who are currently following you are now subscribed or following you on IGTV. So this new platform is going to work with your existing audience. So as you grow on Instagram, you also grow on IGTV. Now as of this video, it's only been about 24 hours since we've had IGTV, and I immediately took some of my YouTube videos and formatted it for IGTV and posted them up, and I saw results almost instantly. The videos that I posted were already available on YouTube, but people were seeing them for the very first time on Instagram because they didn't feel like taking the time out to clicking on the YouTube link in my bio, leaving the Instagram app, going to YouTube, and then coming back to Instagram like they were at first. So that tells me right there that saving the time and having the video already in the platform makes a big difference. I also see people who weren't already following me viewing the videos as well and commenting and liking. So that tells me right there that there's an algorithm sharing the videos throughout the platform, which is great for creators because that's what helps us grow. Now a lot of people might dismiss the idea of making videos for YouTube and Instagram, but like I say, with over 1 billion monthly users, it makes no sense to skip out on it. And if you think about it, even though YouTube is the bigger source for videos, how much time do we spend in the YouTube app versus the Instagram app? A lot of people wake up in the morning and the first thing they check are their text messages and their Instagram. Usually when we click YouTube, we're going there for a specific thing, or we're going to watch the videos that we normally watch or something like that. But we get on Instagram for no apparent reason at all. We just click the app because it's sitting there and we scroll through hoping to find something. So I suspect that the Instagram app has more uses on it than the YouTube app does. Now one mistake I see a lot of creators make is using other social media platforms to draw attention to one platform. They'll get on Instagram to tell them to go check out my YouTube. They get on Twitter to say go check out my YouTube. They get on Facebook to say go check out my YouTube. And the platforms are not designed for that to be successful. Instagram is best when you do Instagram things on Instagram. Twitter is best when you do Twitter things on Twitter. It's good to cross promote between the platforms, but each platform will reward you for doing what the platform is designed to do. So don't just take this IGTV and use it as a secondary YouTube, because it has a lot more potential than that. So even though we might be recycling the content between the two platforms, they are very different from each other. A lot of people also may be turned off from the vertical videos. You have to remember that all throughout history, the aspect ratio of what we watch content on has changed dramatically. TVs used to be 4:3, now they're all 16:9. Phones used to be 16:9, but most of them coming out now are 18:9. So don't get caught up in the fact that the videos is vertical. Just put that in your mind when you're shooting your content and work with it. At one point, Instagram only accepted square content, so we've worked with limitations before. And also the users get a full screen experience without having to rotate their phone. But experiment with the vertical format. As creators, that's what we're supposed to do. Find new ways to create things that don't exist. Now we have vertical videos, what will we do with them? Now within the last day of having IGTV, I have noticed some things that may potentially be a problem in the future. I see a lot of people using IGTV like Instagram stories, and they're just posting random videos that should go to your stories on IGTV. IGTV is mostly dedicated for the higher quality content, stuff that you would normally post on YouTube. So if you have a YouTube channel, anything that you would normally post on there is for IGTV. I'm seeing 17-second clips of someone passing Burger King that's getting new windows put in, or 15 seconds of somebody's cat sleeping or something like that. Like those videos are for Instagram stories. So you have your Instagram feed where you post your normal content. You have Instagram stories for those quick shareable moments. You have Instagram Live where you can go on and interact with your audience in real time. And now you have IGTV that you can share your high quality content that will usually go straight to YouTube. So it pretty much provides us with a space for every type of content. At the moment, I'm seeing some kind of nice high quality cooking video, and then I swipe to the next video and there's someone's phone sitting in the lap while they're playing Fortnite. Now don't get me wrong, YouTube has these types of videos too, but the algorithm in YouTube is smart enough to push the high quality videos to us while leaving those videos that probably shouldn't even be posted down at the bottom. I also see people with different numbers of followers getting different amounts of time available to post on IGTV. Some people with lower amount of followers getting up to 5 minutes, some people with more followers getting up to an hour. So that might be a turnoff to some people who may not have enough followers to post a video as long as they want. That may be a negative thing in the future, because I know a lot of people who don't have as many followers still create very high quality content. So time is only going to tell how people react to that. It may help push people who weren't that serious about growing their Instagram to be more serious with their Instagram now, or it may push people to be more frustrated in Instagram and leave the platform altogether. I don't know. All in all, I'm very excited about IGTV. It's not like some kind of new company that came out and is trying to start from scratch. Instagram is already huge in the social media market. We already have our audience, now we just have to go out and create. Now that IGTV is out, Instagram can take all of our feedback and help make IGTV a better experience for everybody. So this basically gives creators one more outlet to grow their brand and share their content and make money doing what they love to do. So let me know your experiences and what you think down below. So be sure to like, subscribe, or follow me if you're on Instagram, and I'll see you guys next time.